Greetings from Svärdsö Nature Reservat that has so many beautiful nudist beach spots on the Baltic Sea in this stunning nature and beautiful rock formations that continue for 1.5 kilometers in that direction. It is 20th of May 2026, currently 11:40, and the summer is finally here. 19 degrees Celsius in the air is currently, and I made a mistake. I forgot my water thermometer at home, so I can't tell the actual temperature in the water. That actually looks so stunning and so inviting for a dip. I am all alone in this beautiful nature here. Also, on this end, it is like more of an open sea in this blowing wind. But if you just go 200 meters towards that end, I will end up in a completely still sea and forest that I'm heading to later. That I have actually shown you like a week ago before my trip to Vienna. Yes, it's Wednesday and I just can't believe that I was in Vienna 3 days ago and enjoying the Eurovision Song Contest. So now I need to get acquainted to this reality, which is quite nice also as well. But I still have lots of content from Eurovision to post, so hang on for quite few more weeks. Svärdsö is located in Nacka, and I actually came today with public transport. And I have walked from Solsidan, Stockholm, which is the last station on the light rail, but I took the replacement bus as the light rail doesn't go all the way to Slussen. But the light rail you can take to Järla, Stockholm with a change at one of the stations. So total travel time from my home to here was 1 hour, including metro and bus. And yeah, it's sunny now, but it seems like later it's gonna have some clouds in the sky that you can see over there. And I'm also getting down with a cold, I believe, but I'm still hanging in tight. I think that my body is reacting to all the stress and excitement I have had in Vienna last week. Okay, beach number 36 is today, this year only 2026, and it's gonna be 25 degrees this weekend. I just can't believe it. I definitely need to go with my bike somewhere nice and enjoy the perfect weather. So even though it's windy, it's still refreshing because it's quite warm. I have actually been walking in shorts in the public transport and t-shirt as well. So summer is here because for me this is summer. So yeah, let's then get going and feel the temperature. I believe it's around 15 degrees, but I don't have a proof. So as it was around 13 degrees last week when I was here, actually 10 days ago now it is. So we're gonna then check it out as I show you this beautiful nature. And there is huge rock formation over there that you can chill as well if you go around. Quite stunning indeed. Okay. I am now in the water and it's a bit chilly, I must say, but it's gonna be an amazing dip in the Baltic Sea. This is the Baltic Sea for sure. And with that said, it's time for Chris to enjoy a swim in the sea. So ready, set, and go! Oh yeah, this is warm. This is definitely 15 degrees. Later I'm gonna go in also for a longer swim at the other end where I think the water is even warmer. Oh, beautiful. I just love the sea. It is amazing. and the best ever. So greetings from Svärdsö and this nudist beach spot on the Baltic Sea in Stockholm, Sweden, and stay tuned for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.